Okay, so this is our 1,000 view special. So if you want a defrost, I couldn't get a defrost. I'm so sorry, but I'll try next year. Anyways, filming it. Central air conditioner. Here's a Mitsubishi Douglas in it. It's running. It's a 12,000 BTU from 2019, I think. It's really quiet. There's I don't know what this thing is. It's a generator sort of thing. It's an interesting unit. This is Sanyo. It's from 1987, I think. How many tons is it? It's a 2-ton. It's a really interesting unit. It's an vintage American Standard. Reasons. It's got a Klamath Squirrel compressor. 1999. It's a 4-ton, I think. And then some more over here. There's an American Standard Heritage 10. It's big old stuff. Sir, might have been running actually. Yeah, it's not been running. 2002 3-ton. It's a Heritage 10. It's a Samuel Douglas unit. Oh, it's also 2000, 1.5 ton, 2002. Okay. Here's the treasure of the day. Vintage Samuel Douglas unit. Wow. See the Douglas unit so old. Anyways. And it's too faded to read. It's a Mitsubishi. I don't know if it's vintage. It's from 2017. It's a 9,000 BTU. There's a big old New York. It's got a... Oh, it's been running. Sweet. Not crawling back there to get the data. There's a nice Coleman unit. It's not been running. It's from 2005 and it's a 60,000 BTU. It's 5-ton then. It's an American Standard Odyssey. Lynx compressor. It's from 2016 and it's a 90,000 BTU. 7.5 ton. Over here, we have a Lennox Diplomat series, I believe. Compressor blanket. It's from 1992 and it's a 2-ton, I think. I don't know. Yeah, I got that American Standard Heritage frosting, but it's by a drive-through. So in case the car goes off, I'll be terrified. Yeah. There's a Goodman over here. It's a 120,000 BTU. It's a 10-ton from 2014. It's got a huge Copeland scroll. Goodman, there's the logo. And here's a Coleman F-Con or Luxair. It's got a Bristol compressor. 2007, it's a 5-ton. Nah, that's a scroll. Maybe it's a Millennium. Here's another old Lennox. This one was an old one. got a huge Bristol Copeland recip. It's from 1987. Can't make out the tonnage. Anyways, this place is open, so yeah. Gotta go. Here, there's some York Olympians there. No books there. It's like Andrew Beedish. This is like where your old unit like replaced the Guardian and the Guardian. Millennium Squirrel or Copeland Squirrel. York. It's been off. It's from 2000. That's a 5-ton. There's a Luxair, a Bristol reciprocating compressor. 2014, 3-ton. There's another old York Olympian, A.O. Smith. Millennium or Copeland Squirrel, I don't know. I guess it's the same. I can't make it out. York. Here is a Coleman Evcon. It's got a Bristol reciprocating compressor. And it's got microchannel, obviously. I don't know if you could see if it's from 2005 and it's a 2.5-ton. Okay, thank you for 1,000 views. I really appreciate. Over and out.